Hey fams, welcome back to All Things Shushana. So today I have a different kind of video for you. Today is going to be a shop with me video. I am kind of shopping around for some new home decor for my home for the summer and even for the fall season. And I wanted to take you guys along. So I know it's not a cleaning video today, but you will get that in the week. But go ahead, sit back, relax, and enjoy this shop with me.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you.
Okay, so like I said before, I am just looking for some home decor, really some new pieces to kind of update my decor and everything that I have in my home. As you guys know, I am doing some major renovations for my home, and I just wanted to add some new pieces to kind of um, accent my style and just accent my home in its newness of everything that we're doing. And it's not just for the season of summer or fall, it's pretty much everyday decor. I'm going to be renovating my kitchen in a few months and looking for some really nice pieces. I'm going to be I'm renovating my bathroom. It's almost done. It's going to be done by the end of this month, you guys, and I cannot wait for you guys to see it. So I just wanted to get some new pieces for that, our bedroom and everything like that. So I am here at Tjmaxx and I am looking at all the wonderful things. And y'all, I am so falling in love with all this wood pieces and for the kitchen especially. And I am just going to kind of just make it like, just like all music. So I'm not going to be talking at all after this. So if you are new here, welcome. My name is Shoshana. I do a lot of lifestyle videos, home decor, DIYs, cleaning motivation. So if you're interested in seeing those videos, I upload every Tuesdays, Fridays, and Sundays. And you could go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It is always free. Make sure you double tap that bell so that you receive all my notifications. So I'm going to leave you guys here. I hope that you guys enjoy this shop with me. I will see you guys in the next episode. Thank you so much for watching and have a blessed day.
One, two, three. I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me.
I got this boy on my mind that I can't live without. Oh, his eyes are killing me. And he keeps talking about everything that he likes, and I can't stop listening. I'm thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about him all the time, all the time. And my heart's beating fast when he's looking like that. Oh, his smile is killing me. It's the way that he moves and the way that he laughs, so I can't get enough. Thinking about him all the time. I can't get him off my mind. Oh, I want him to be mine, to be mine. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. You know I want him now, 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 now. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it starts, when it starts. I told him I would do it all for you, and I know you do it for me too. I can be a fighter if you want, if you want. I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. All the way that I feel, yeah, I know that it's real, 'cause I can get him out of my head. I don't care what we do, everything's feeling new. Even if we stay in bed, my heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. You know I want him now, 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 now. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it starts, when it starts. I told him I would do it all for you, and I know you do it for me too. I can be a fighter if you want, if you want. Yeah, I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. Yeah, I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. I wanna now, 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 now. Yeah, 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 yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it starts, when it starts. I told him I would do it all for you, and I know you do it for me too. I can be a fighter if you want, if you want. Yeah, I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. Yeah, I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember that Jesus is Lord, that He loves you, and that I love you too. I appreciate y'all so much. Have a blessed day today, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye.